Tom here with Affordable Comfort Heating and Cooling. This calculator will show you your estimated savings per year with just a few clicks. Let's go over the Comfort Club Savings Calculator together. Start by selecting all the qualifying pieces of equipment you have in your home. You will then notice what plan is selected for you, so there's no guesswork on your end. You will see your savings being calculated on the right-hand side of the screen as you start selecting your qualifying pieces of equipment. Once you get to 3 or more pieces of equipment, you will notice the savings increasing drastically. This is because our Tier 3 plan includes 3 or more pieces of equipment for only $29.97 a month. So whether you have 3 pieces of equipment or 6 pieces of equipment, you're only paying the $29.97 a month. Let's try one together. In my home, I have a gas furnace, central air conditioner, tankless water heater, a gas fireplace, and a humidifier. We can see that once I've selected all my qualifying pieces of equipment, we notice that my annual savings are estimated, including maintenance and repairs, at $689.71, and that's in addition to my monthly investment of $29.97 a month for the Tier 3 plan. Other benefits not shown here are the improved efficiency by maintaining your equipment, priority service over non-plan members, and the convenience of having our office contact you when it's time for your annual maintenance, saving you the hassle of setting reminders. You can quickly see how this plan is so effective in saving you money and keeping your family comfortable. We look forward to working with you soon. Take care.